How to add another bank account to Chase app. Follow my instructions to add another bank account to Chase app. Open Chase app. Log into your account. Tap on an account. Click on Transfer. Tap on Manage External Account. Swipe left on your account. Now tap on Pay. Now click on Add an external account. Select your account and click Next. Read the agreement and agree with it. Click Next. Enter your account information and click Next. Choose the account you want to add and click Next. Click Next again. Your account is now successfully added. Click Close. Contact customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.